A step that you cannot forget to do is putting L brackets on the upper cabinets. So on the very top shelf of the upper cabinet, you need to install L brackets. And in this situation, especially in an office where they're going to load it up with papers and books and all sorts of things, I will put an L bracket on every single stud. Hopefully the construction is 16-inch centers. It's just a lot stronger than a 24-inch center, but 24-inch center, if that's all you have to work with, that's all you can do. Now what I do is I use the 1.5-inch screw to same screw that's used for the railing cap, and I will screw that through the back of the L bracket in stud and tighten that up. And then I use my 3/4-inch pan head screw, and I'll drill down into the top shelf and tighten that up. Now, of course, this is one of the last steps that you do after the unit has been leveled and tightened into the wall so that there's no gap in behind the gable, if the wall is not crooked, that is. But in this application, the walls are quite straight, so it's nice. We don't have big gaps in behind our gables. And I've tightened everything to the wall, and now I've put all the L brackets on to secure that. Now, those L brackets are critical in the sense that the suspension bracket will hold the gable, and the shear weight going down the wall is extremely. However, if you load up this cabinet, it could start to pull away from the wall, pulling that railing cap out, especially if the gable is, let's say, in between two studs, because the railing cap, as you know, is screwed into the studs, and if the gable is midway, there's a bit of flex to that railing cap, and it could pull away. And so what happens is these L brackets will prevent that. It will prevent it from pulling away and hold it securely against the wall, and then you won't have any failure in your application.